Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix MSI laptop docking station not working. Fix 1. Power cycle. Disconnect the docking station from the laptop, unplug the power supply from both the wall outlet and laptop and remove all the connected USB device. Wait for 30 seconds and allow both the device to fully discharge, reconnect everything and power it back on. Fix 2. Check the USB-C port compatibility. Ensure that you are using a USB-C port on your MSI laptop that supports video output. Fix 3. Update driver. Open the device manager, expand the Universal Series bus controller and right click on each item and then select update driver. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.